Hi, my name's Nutt. You can call me Nutt. I'm studying chemical engineering at Simpagon University, Sanamjan Palace campus. I'm from Kanchanaburi, a big province in western Thailand. Kanchanaburi is famous for impressive landscape with mountains, forests, and waterfalls. There are plenty of beautiful waterfalls to capture your attention. I like to recommend Huai Waterfall, where you can get your feet wet and swim around in the ponds. This waterfall is located in the mountainous area of Khamin National Park in Sayok and Tongpao district. Khamin Waterfall has been a popular destination for many years, particularly during the rainy season. The waterfall has seven layers named separately in the order of Dong Wan, Man Khamin, วังหน้าผาฉัดแก้วไหลจนหลงดงผีเสื้อ and ร่มเกล้า respectively. Visitors here feel at peace while watching the clean water fall down the shape of each level. Because this is a limestone waterfall, the area surrounding it is not slippery and doesn't suffer algae. The most stunning level is the fourth, called Chat. The name itself means a cascade as clear as glass. To make the area safer for visitors, the park official built a path that goes all the way to the top. Coupled with the lush environment of the surrounding weather, the height and fall of the seven layers of cascade have won the hearts of many tourists who nickname it the mighty Tylosu waterfall of Kanchanaburi. You can you love if you love waterfall holiday, this is the right place for you. See you there.